Meaning of dehydration.
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 Dehydration. Dehydration refers to a state where the body loses more fluid than it takes in, resulting in an imbalance of essential electrolytes and water within the body. This can lead to a range of adverse effects such as dizziness, fatigue, headaches, dry mouth and throat, and decreased urine output. Severe dehydration can cause confusion, rapid heartbeat, low blood pressure, fainting, and in extreme cases, coma or death. Therefore, it is crucial to stay hydrated by drinking enough water, especially during hot weather or physical activities that cause sweating.